Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we'll talk about comparative adjectives. It's a grammar lesson from Unit 7. So let's start. But before we talk about comparative adjectives, let's talk first about adjectives. If you remember, we have studied adjectives in the classroom, right? And we said that adjectives are words like new, old, dangerous, good, bad, amazing, happy, big, hot, cold, tired, and so on. And we said that we use these adjectives to describe people. Let's see. Here we have a girl. Her name is Sarah. Can you think about an adjective through which we can describe Sarah? Can we say Sarah is happy? No. The right adjective is sad. So we're going to say Sarah is sad. Here we have another example. This is Jack. Can you think about an adjective? Jack is what? Great. This is tall. So tall is the right adjective and we will say Jack is very tall. Here we have another boy. And we have also another adjective. It's fat. We will say Sam is fat. So we said we use adjectives to describe people, but we use them also to describe animals. Let's see. Here we have a tiger. And we have the adjective fast. The tiger is fast. This is a fast tiger. And here we have another animal. It's the rhino. And we have the word big. So we can say a big rhino. And here we have a rabbit. And the rabbit is small. So this is a small rabbit. You see? So we use adjectives also to talk about animals, to describe animals. So we said we use adjectives first for animals, for people, and animals, and we use them also to talk about objects. Look to this example. Here we have a phone, and we have the adjective old. So this is an old telephone. So remember, we use adjectives to describe people, animals, and objects. Now let's move to comparative adjectives. What is a comparative adjective? We saw adjectives, but now we have to see comparative adjectives. Look to these examples. So here we have Jack, he's tall. And we said tall is an adjective. It's not a comparative adjective. And here we have Kim, and Kim is short. So if we want to talk about Jack alone, we say Jack is tall. We use an adjective. And if we want to describe Kim, we use an adjective which is short. We say Kim is short. But if we want to talk about Jack and Kim at the same time, to compare between Jack and Kim, we will say Kim is taller than Jack, or Jack is shorter than Kim. This is the comparative adjective. Comparative adjective is taller plus than. And the comparative adjective in the second sentence is shorter plus than. More examples. Here we have a tiger, and the tiger is fast. And we have a turtle, and the turtle is slow. So if we want to compare between the tiger and the turtle, we will say the tiger is faster than the turtle, and the turtle is slower than the tiger. Great. Here we have two cars. We have the blue car, which is big, and have the small car, the red car. If we want to compare between these two cars, we will say the blue car is bigger than the red car, or the red car is smaller than the blue car. You see, so we use comparative adjectives to compare between two people or two animals or two objects. Great. So remember, comparative adjectives, we use them to compare between two people, animals, or objects. But how we can make a comparative adjective from adjective? So we have an adjective, for example, and we want to make it a comparative adjective. Like in the other example, we said tall is taller than, short is shorter than. So is it always the adjective plus er plus than, or we have other rules? Let's see. If we have a short adjective, we take the adjective plus er plus than. Tall, taller than. Short, shorter than. Small, smaller than. Cold, colder than. Fast, faster than. If we have an adjective that ends with y, like funny, happy, noisy, then we take the adjective, we remove the y, and we add ier plus than. For example, funny, funnier than. Happy, happier than. Noisy, noisier than. Silly, sillier than. And dirty is dirtier than. If we have a long adjective, then we add more before the adjective, plus the adjective, plus than. For example, beautiful is more beautiful. Amazing, more amazing than. Boring, more boring than. Dangerous, more dangerous than. And intelligent, more intelligent than. But you have to pay attention. Here we have an exception. Some adjectives don't have any rule, so we have to change the form of the word. Some adjectives, we don't add er or ier or more. We change all the word. For example, bad is the adjective. But if you want to make it a comparative adjective, then we have to say worse than. And we have good. Also, we have to change the form and say better than.